Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. We're on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. You can subscribe to the channel right now on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Thank you for supporting. Bitcoin is now officially in its longest bear market ever. Bitcoin's current price is $3,418.16 according to the Coinbase data feed. Bitcoin has officially entered the longest stretch of declining prices in its 10-year history. The world's oldest and most valuable cryptocurrency achieved an all-time high of $19,764 on December 17, 2017 on the Coinbase Bitcoin Price Index. It has printed a series of lower price highs ever since, making February 2nd the 411th consecutive day prices have been in decline. As such, Bitcoin's latest stretch surpasses the duration of the famous 2013-2015 Bitcoin bear market, which spanned 410 days from its price high to low. Bitcoin historical price declines. Bear market 1, 163 days high to low, 93% decline. Bear market 2, 410 days high to low, 86% decline. Bear market 3, 411 days and counting, 82% decline. Indeed, Bitcoin's most recent stretch of declining prices is the longest in duration ever witnessed by the cryptocurrency, but it has yet to become the worst in terms of total depreciation. As can be seen in the chart above, Bitcoin's first significant bear market of 2011 spanned just 163 days, but remains the worst performer to date. From its price high of $31.50 to $201, Bitcoin's price fell slightly more than 93%, which is a steeper drop than the subsequent 2013-2015 bear market, when prices fell 86% from the previous high. The current bear market still has yet to exceed a depreciation of more than 84% from its all-time high, while its current price is near 3,400, registering an 82% decline. No one can be certain if or when Bitcoin's record decline will come to an end, but whether it be the market's subdued response to the withdrawal of the highly anticipated Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund proposal or Bitcoin's next deflationary halving event slowly approaching, it does seem evidence is beginning to mount for a Bitcoin bottom occurring in the not-too-distant future. The weekly chart in halving history. As a part of Bitcoin's deflationary monetary policy, the rewards per mine block get cut in half every 4 years or 210,000 blocks, as a result slowing the creation of new Bitcoins. The event is now known as a halving and has been considered a bullish catalyst for Bitcoin price, since the existing or growing demand for cryptocurrency is likely to outweigh the slowing production of supply. Simply put, since demand is greater than supply, it creates a higher valuation for the underlying asset regardless of the market. As the tweet below from Coinbase Market shows, Bitcoin's price trends tend to bottom out and rise subsequently several months in advance of the actual halving date. Here's your Bitcoin halving and price guide. The first halving, price bottomed 378 days before, then rose 510%. The second halving, price bottomed 539 days before, then rose 309%. The third halving, roughly 497 days until halving. So we don't know what's going to happen, but in the previous occurrences, Bitcoin has went up after the halving. While the same sample size is small, Bitcoin's price finding a floor 378 days before the 2012 halving and 539 days before the 2016 halving creates an average bottom date of 458 days, or 1.25 years before an actual halving event. With the next halving likely to occur in late May of 2020, Bitcoin is now just under 500 days away, so a potential bear market ending bottom date may not be too far off if investors preemptively price in the deflationary of supply like they have in the past. Okay, another sign that we're hitting bottom. Bitcoin price hits record 6 consecutive months of losses. Bitcoin registered losses for a record 6 consecutive months in January, reinforcing the bearish view put forth by the moving average studies on the monthly chart. As a result, a retest of December lows near 3,100 could be on the cards. The odds of a sustained rise to 4,000 would improve if the 200-week moving average at $3,298 serves as a strong support and ends up pushing prices above $3,658, the high of the last Saturday's gravestone doji candle. Bitcoin's price fell for a record 6 consecutive month in January after an early bounce to 4,000 fell to entice mass buying. The leading cryptocurrency by market value closed yesterday at $3,413 on Bitstamp, down 7.5% from the monthly opening price of $3,693. Prices dropped 9, 6, 4.4, 37, and 7% respectively in the previous 5 months. The second longest run of monthly losses dates back to 2011 when prices dropped 81% during the 5 months from July to November. BTC has fared a little better in the last 6 months with a 63% loss over the period. That number, however, could rise in the coming months as the primary trend is still bearish, as discussed yesterday. Further, the price action witnessed over the last 4 weeks indicates that the sell-on-rise mentality is still intact. The cryptocurrency jumped above 4,000 on January 6 after establishing a bullish higher low near 3,500 at the end of September. The bullish breakout, however, failed to entice the buyers. In fact, bullish bets tanked on January 10th, driving prices back to 3,500. That said, BTC may end the 6-month downward trend in February if the 200-week moving average support, currently at $3,298, fuels a strong move above crucial resistance near $3,650. As of the writing, BTC is trading around $3,400. On the monthly chart, the 5 and 10 candle MAs are trending south, indicating a bearish setup. These averages are currently located at $4,154 and $5,599 respectively, and could cap rallies, if any, in the near term. Validating the bearish averages is the 14-month relative strength index RSI, which has hit record lows below the 4450 seen in January 2015. The bearish setup would be invalidated only above 4,210, the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of the record low high. The level has capped the upside in the last 2 months. The weekly and daily chart, as seen above, the 200 weekly moving average served as strong support 7 weeks ago. Another defense of the long-term MA will likely weaken bearish pressures and could yield a break above $3,658, the high of last Saturday's gravestone doji candle. A more convincing move above that level will invalidate short-term bearish setup and open the doors for a sustained move to $4,000. So hopefully February is the month that Bitcoin turns this around and we don't go through a 7th month of consecutive losses in Bitcoin. But I want to just tell you guys to congratulate yourself, because you've just lasted through the longest bear market in Bitcoin history, and you still believe in Bitcoin. I would just encourage you guys to continue to believe in Bitcoin, continue to believe in freedom, and I think Bitcoin is the way to go. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below. When do you think this bear market will end? Comment below with your opinion. When do you think the bear market will end? Thank you for following Knockout Crypto.